It has been called a haven for drug users, bed bugs, and violence. Reporter Paul Orlowski broke the story of the Travelodge on Brook Park Road being closed and slapped with a temporary restraining order back in February. It now appears it could disappear. Orlo wants to know where things stand.
Now it's Orlo Wants to Know.
The parking lot sits virtually empty. A chain and padlock secure the front door. It's been about 6 weeks since several agencies swept into the Travelodge on Brook Park Road and closed the place. The man in charge seemed none too happy when we asked him about giving patrons refunds.
This needs to be stopped now.
Do not touch my camera.
Come on, back off.
Okay.
Are you going to refund the people's money? The people need their money back, and you're not giving it to them. They have nowhere to go. The Travelodge, along with O'Malley's Bar, which is attached, were the subject of 650 calls to Brook Park Police in the past 2 years. Since the place has been closed, police continue to guard the place for safety, but there have been no calls for fights, gunfire, drugs, or prostitution.
Pursuant to the statute.
Now the case is back in the courtroom of Judge Michael Donnelly, who initially granted a temporary restraining order. It seems that prosecutors and the owners are close to compromise.
My clients have spoken with a broker about selling the property.
The question is, who would buy the place? It's had many code violations and as a closed property has little value. One possibility is reopening pending a sale with conditions.
Perhaps dealing with different clientele prices, things of that nature. We've all been exploring whether these are options.
It's not to Brook Park Mayor Tom Coyne, who sees the place as nothing but a nuisance. In fact, according to lawyers for the motel owner, Coyne is willing to grease the skids on getting the place torn down.
Speaking with the city of Brook Park, made it clear to us that there's some money that may be available for demolition of the building.
Coyne envisions new commercial development in what is still a busy area. Most anything looks better than this. Paul Orlowski, Cleveland 19.
The Travelodge will remain closed for at least the next several weeks as negotiations continue and thousands of pages of violation records are reviewed. Nothing can happen without Judge Donnelly's approval and his lifting of the temporary restraining order.